How to password protect files and folders on your Windows. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can set password or protect your files and folders on your Windows. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So if I open up my File Explorer right here and go ahead and click on Pictures. Now if I want to let's say protect this particular file right here, all you have to do here is just right click on it and then click on show more option, then click on properties, and from here on the general tab you will have to click on advanced and click on this encrypt contents to secure data. But if you don't have this option like this, so if it is grayed out like this, first thing you have to do is open up your services. And once you open up your services right here, you just want to look for encrypting file. So right here on encrypting file system, double click on it and make sure that your startup type is set to this automatic delayed start. Once you do that, click on automatic, click on start, and then click on apply, continue. And after doing that, just give your PC a quick restart and this should be enabled. And after that, your files should be protected. If you found this video helpful, hit the like, share, and subscribe button, and I will see you guys on the next video.